to northern Minnesota. No rock hunting right here, but really cool waterfall. Cool ruts. Minnesota is so beautiful. Time to look for rocks. Agate in the wild. Found some more driftwood. I'm thinking about maybe making some little rock mobiles. And this pretty red one. I like it here. See, there's birds. So pretty. What do we have here? I heart you. Beautiful nature break. Finding a few pieces of this red stuff. Pretty sure this is jasper. Here's some pretty cool ones. I really like that one, but I don't think I'm gonna lug that home. Trying my feet from going over there. Didn't find as much as I thought I would. There was some really scary spiders over there, honestly. Want some little agate babies on this side and other things. Rocks, 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 rocks. Mushroom. You guys, look. I found a banded one. Yay! It's some pretty cool rocks from my current location. These little sparkly orange ones, I'm not sure what those are, but I found a couple of them. I think they're super cool. Kind of nice agate there. Not sure what that is, but I kind of like it. Pretty nice out here. The wind has picked up a tiny bit, but when you sit on the rocks, it's nice and warm, and the sun is out. There's not a cloud in the sky. Beautiful. Still looking for the big one. Triangle one is just kind of cute. Look at this little pink one. I think that might be some kind of an agate. That definitely is. Nature break.